Today we're going to be covering Lesson 3-2, Solving Inequalities. In this section, we are going to chunk this into 4 separate sections. The first section will cover questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's start off by taking a look. It says, make sense of problems. Chloe and Charlie are taking a trip to the pet store to buy some things for their new puppy. They know that they need a bag of dog food that costs $7, and they also want to buy some new toys for the puppy. They find a bargain barrel containing toys that cost $2 each. Write an expression for the amount of money they will spend if the number of toys they buy is T. Now, let's recall. They have to buy the $7 worth of dog food, right? And each toy in the bin costs $2. But I don't know how many toys I'm going to buy. They just tell me I'm buying T toys. What kind of operation would happen between the $7 we have to spend for the bag of food and the $2 for each toy we buy? Yeah, those will be added together. So we should have the expression 7 plus 2T. Now, let's take a look. Chloe has $30 and Charlie has 1/3 of the amount with him. Use this information and this expression you wrote in Part A to write an inequality for finding the number of toys they can buy. Well, let's take a look off to the side. Chloe has 30, right? And Charlie has 1/3 of that amount. Well, what is 1/3 of $30? You're right, 10. So Charlie has $10. How much do the two of them have together? You're right. 30 plus 10 does indeed equal $40 together. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this. We're going to write an inequality. Now remember, inequalities are those less than, greater than, less than, equal to, or greater than or equal to. Now, the money that they spend on the toys and the dog food, can that be bigger, smaller, bigger than or equal to, or smaller than or equal to $40? You're right. The 7 plus 2T must be less than or equal to $30. Sorry, not $30. $40, because the two of them together have 40. Now, again, the reason why it's the less than equal to is because I can't spend more than $40 on these toys. Okay? There are 2 different methods for solving the inequality you wrote in the previous question. Chloe suggests that they guess and check to find the number of new toys that they could buy. Use Chloe's suggestion to find the number of puppy toys that Chloe and Charlie can buy with their combined money. Okay, well, let's try this. Let's try T equals 10. If they buy 10 toys, how much will they spend? Well, 7 plus 2 times 10 is less than or equal to 40. Let's work through our math. What is 2 times 10? You're right, 20. And what's 20 plus 7? 27. Very good. My question is that less than or equal to 40? Yes. So that means that they could buy 10 toys. Well, let's try a bigger number. What about 15? Could they buy 15 toys? Let's work through the math. T plus 2 times 15 less than or equal to 40? Well, 2 times 15 is 30. 7 plus 30 is 37. Is 37 less than or equal to 40? Yes. So we could buy 15 toys with the amount of money we've got. Let's try t equals 16 because it looks like we're getting close. Well, 7 plus 2 times 16 less than or equal to 40. Well, what is 2 times 16? That's right, 32. And what is 32 plus 7? Correct again, 39. Is 39 less than or equal to 40? Yes. So we could buy 16 toys. Let's go one more number up. 17. So I've got 7 plus 2 times 17 less than or equal to 40. What's 2 times 17? 34. What's 7 plus 34? 41. Is 41 less than or equal to 40? No. So, based on the way that Chloe decided to go about it, we figure we can buy 16 toys. Because I can't buy 17, then I don't have enough money. Charlie remembered that they could use algebra to solve inequalities. He imagined that the inequality symbol was an equal sign. Then he used equation solving steps to solve the inequality. Use Charlie's method to solve the inequality you wrote in 1B. So we've got 7 plus 2t, and this is going to be less than or equal to 40. Now, we're going to work through this the same way we would work through an equation. We've got subtract 7. I come down to 2t less than or equal to 33. We're going to divide by 2. So I got t is less than or equal to 16.5. Let's move on to question number 4 because that's still part of this chunk of material. It says, did you get the same answer using Charlie's method as you did using Chloe's method? And explain. In the guess and check method that Chloe suggested, in Chloe's method, we got 16 toys. While with Charlie's method, we came up to t is less than or equal to 16.5. Now the question asks, did we get the same thing? So no, not really. And explain. No, because Chloe was t less than or equal to 16, while Charlie was t less than or equal to 16.5. The question I should ask now is, who's right? I'm going to add this to this. Chloe is correct. Anybody want to know why Chloe is correct? Because we cannot have a part of a toy. Very good. With Charlie's answer, he's basically saying we can max at 16.5. But you have to remember, in the context of this problem, we're talking about the number of toys we can buy. And I can't buy a partial toy. On to your debriefing question.